Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Recaptcha not working in Chrome browser. So to resolve this issue, you can try two methods. First one, click on Start Settings. Then click on About Chrome. It will check for updates. If update is available, so update your Chrome browser. Once you see Chrome is up to date, so close it and restart. Still you are facing problem, so you can try second method. Click on Start. Type here CMD. Right click on command prompt. Run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now here type this command ipconfig /flush DNS. Then press enter. Now type second command line netsh winsock space reset. Then press enter. Now close and restart your system. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve Recaptcha not working in Chrome. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.